Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to disable pop-up ads on Android. Pop-up ads on Android usually come from apps, browser settings, or permissions. You don't need extra tools. Most fixes are built into your phone. Just follow these steps to identify and block the source. To begin, open Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Choose See All Apps to view the full list. Look for recently installed or unfamiliar apps. Tap the suspicious app. Choose Uninstall or Disable if an install isn't available. Go back to Settings. Tap Notifications. Review apps sending frequent or unwanted alerts. Turn off notifications for those apps. Open your browser like Google Chrome, then tap the three dots, go to Settings, Site Settings, Pop-ups and Redirects. Turn off pop-ups and also disable ads if available. Then restart your phone to apply all changes. Tip: if ads still appear, check for apps with display over other apps' permission and disable it. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.